Good evening, guys. This is SK. I hope you all did very well today. I did okay because we were a little confused about the direction in the morning, but I read few guys didn't do good today. So first of all, before I do the recap for today, I need to ask you something. Everybody who's listening, who made money, who didn't make money, in the morning video, it was very, very, very clear that if we get sell off here with the follow through, with the break of the trend line, we will short the market. And I mentioned a couple of times that with this support we can go long, and after going long over here we can see that how far we go on testing this trend line. It was a buy here to test this trend line. And what did I do today? Today I was long at 73, about ES long 73. Let's go in 5 minutes. 5 minutes during when we are taking the trades, it's all the action of what we have prepared and what we have mentally talked to ourselves that what we will be doing. Nothing changes. Market can be deceiving. Market can be giving us all wrong signals. But we have to be ready in the morning. We were ready that we don't have a particular direction. These tails are showing that we're gonna get the sell off, but this trend line is still very strong. So we were long with this trend line support. So long 73. Let's go on a 5 minute chart and I explain you guys. On 5 minute chart, we don't need we need this guy here. So this is what I was looking at the 5 minute chart, when okay, over here we were looking at the tails, after these tails I was not taking a position because I was not sure that is it this going to be a real position or not first 10 minutes. But the 15-minute reversal, 15-minute reversal about when it closes at around this position here, it shows that there is a buying going on. This support is working very, very, very good. Go back to a 4 hour chart. What happened is, I have 4 hour and I have a 5 minute chart with me when I'm trading. This will come once we're gonna do our study course. Once we're gonna do all that, you will know the reasoning why I have these two charts. It's all mathematical. It's all how the algorithms trading. It's all that how the computers, how the system, how the automated trading is built. So we have to think the same way. We cannot think emotionally because computers does not have emotions. Emini is heavily traded by computer automated system. So please, if you do not have control on your emotions, you're gonna get killed with paper cuts. It's difficult to get killed with paper cut, right? But it's gonna be very, very, very difficult to survive in this market because all these small losses gonna be gonna take your moral away, gonna take your confidence away. It'll be difficult. So we were prepared that we need to short below this. This trend line is saying the buying is going on. Over here, I think I was okay at about at 73 here. We tested this. I was not trading. Then we came down. Then over here, I think I bought over here, somewhere here. I bought it here. This was the position when I bought at 73, and with this 73, I closed here. About 75.25. When I closed at 75.25, either I bought it here or here, guys. I can't recall exactly right now. What was the reason of me buying over here? I bought it here. I remember it now. I bought it here and I sold here. There is a very, very, very important reason, guys. Understand. This is a part of a study material, but I'm gonna share this thing with you. This is the low, and okay, I don't need that. And this is almost the close. So what happened, guys, that we need to have the close of the close of the yesterday. That plays a very, very, very important role. Reason, most of the positions which are held overnight in the morning, if we close up here, If they are long, they will close. If it is down here, they will wait to touch the level, and then they will close. It's something which is very very. I need to explain it very thoroughly. The basic thing is that we need to have the close of the yesterday is a very very important target. If we gap up or we gap low. Here we gap low. Over here, what happened is we tested the close of yesterday and then we bounced back. That was my reason to take this trade. It was getting aggressive, and bulls have taken position over here. All these bull candles, one, two, three, four bull candles, and this is the fifth one, is the exhaustion candle. So we saw this exhaustion candle when we saw this breakout. So the point is, we were ready in the morning from the 4-hour chart that if we will be trading, we will be buying here and we will be selling on the high. It's a triangle on a 4-hour chart. This is a triangle. On a 4-hour chart, guys, this is a triangle. So in a triangle, it's more of how we trade triangles. So in triangle, we buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low. So basically all the focus today was on, let me do that, the whole focus was on the 4-hour chart, and we were trading the 5-minute chart. It was more of a scalping mode. So what we did, we sold our 75. We had the sell order, but what happened when I saw the hesitation here, we sold this guy at 74.50. We sold it here. Then it saw the sell-off. After the sell-off, it saw the final leg. Like once we see this final leg, we cannot buy here. Why we cannot buy here? Because the bigger picture 4-hour chart, understand, bigger picture 4-hour chart is showing that we are reaching the high of a triangle. And then after 1 p.m., I shorted this guy exactly at 1 p.m. I shorted this guy at 75. Why I shorted this guy? I shorted the 4-hour. I did not shorted something else. I shorted the 4-hour here at the open. Then I saw it's getting a sell-off. Then we saw the sell-off. It came and it was an indecision candle. Indecision means inside candle. So inside candle with the indecision mode means nobody is in the power. Neither bulls or bears are in the power. This is something which is going towards the breakout. And after we get the breakout from this thing, it's gonna explode. We're gonna make tons of money. But as of now, it was just a scalping. It was just a scalping, selling higher at the trend line, buying lower at the trend line. It's very basic. You buy at support, you sell at resistance. We were buying at support, which was a triangle support. We were buying here, we were selling high. So that's all we did today. It was scalping. In the morning, I didn't have the direction, but in the morning video, I mentioned many times, we're gonna buy here at the trend line and we're gonna sell a little bit higher. So that's what we traded today. I'm very hopeful once we have our study material out, these things gonna get very 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 easy. I think basically most of you guys need to understand how to draw these trend lines and how to get conviction into it. I'm working on something that I'm gonna share my live screen and live trades. I take few option trades. I take some Emini contract trades. So I will be trading every trade with you guys. So get ready, guys. It's a time when I'm gonna be upfront. It's gonna be all real money action, and every day I'm about to start. I'm debating. I need to feel that when I go live, how do I trade? So it's something that I don't want to make money by teaching. I'm making a good money, good living by trading. So I need to phase it out where I can share what I know. So stick tight, guys. Sit tight. We're gonna make a lot of money, but morning videos, morning view is most important for a day trader. If you're not ready at 8 o'clock, do not trade. If you have a difficult vision, what you should do not go jump into the market with the real money. What you can do is you can start trading after you get the confidence. And how are you gonna get the confidence? Write your notes at 8 o'clock, 8:30, and 9 o'clock, 9:30. Don't trade with the real money. Just write down that, okay, I'm gonna buy here, and then see if you're buying right or not, and write reasoning. Start recording yourself. Do something that you can reason your own self. We're gonna have many seminars, and I'm planning to conduct a good seminar either in New York or California. We're gonna plan a lot. So and most of these things gonna bring everything so close, so neat and clean that you can put face to my name and you can relate with me and we can trade live together. I'm very positive that this thing gonna be very, very, very fruitful for everybody. Thank you guys. Take care. Morning view is most important. That's the most important thing. Morning view, I mentioned many times, we buying lower here. Why I sold here? It was a nap time, I understand, but it was near the high. What could have happened? I would have lost 2, 3, 4 points. It's okay. At trading range, that's the risk you take. But trading range, 90% of the time, trading range breakouts fail. So that's what we saw. So these are all the basics. Like we need to get to the basics, and then the entries and stop losses, these gonna come by itself. So in our trading course, we are very, very, very strong on basics. Once I'm very positive, like it's such a beautiful thing which we are producing. It's gonna bring a lot of betterment to everybody's trading. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow morning with the morning view video. Have a good night. Bye bye.